Welcome to Krishi Sanjeevani, few of the most precarious fruits in the world. Some of your much loved fruits can nippily become noxious if consumed in large volumes. Many fruits and their seeds contain trace levels of cyanide and other contagions that can cause dangerous discomfort or even have mortal consequences. Here, we deal with some fruits around the world which are deemed to be the most perilous. We might have heard some of these. Some may be a retreat that we have no idea about what it is going to have such side effects. And some might be there in your own backyard, but you are not aware about what are the terminal side effects or side effects which can be caused by these. The yellow star fruit, Avrea carambola, they're actually pretty tasty and have a few health claims to warn about as well. Star fruit is low in calories, high in fiber, and loaded with vitamin C. Seems like there is a lot to adoration about this sweet and sour little fruit with a comestible skin. Unfortunately for anyone with frail kidneys, star fruit also have high amounts of oxalates. This does not mean that star fruit is a complete no to eat, but it is a fruit which recommends a doctor's consultation, especially if you ever had kidney stones or any kidney issue. Treatment for star fruit poisoning can be quite tricky because scientists have been unable to officially identify the toxin that makes it deadly. Ackee fruit, Bilgia sapida. The ackee is a native West African fruit that is also the national fruit of Jamaica. It's derived from the ackee tree, a huge tropical evergreen that grows to over 40 feet in height. Though the ackee fruit is a staple in Jamaican diets, it is extremely poisonous if improperly eaten. Eating unripened ackee fruit can cause Jamaican vomiting sickness, which can ultimately lead to a coma or death. The ackee is poisonous because it contains hypoglycine, and thus handlers must be careful when preparing the ackee pods for eating. In fact, the ackee should not be eaten until the ackee's protective outer pods open naturally and turn red. Elderberries, Sampacus nigra. Elderberries, the beautiful dark blue berries that hung from the bright red branches of the elderberry tree, are a staple in jellies, jams, wine, and tea. They are more prevalent in Europe but have been known to pop up in popular North American imports. While tasty, the berries are also feared to their poisonous elements. The leaves, seeds, and twigs of the elderberry plant contain glycoside, a substance that creates cyanide. Depending on the concentration of glycoside, you could be in a lot of pain upon injection. Some of the typical symptoms of elderberry poisoning include coma, diarrhea, vomiting, and nausea. However, though all parts of the elderberry are poisonous, the plant typically has a low toxicity level. Apricot kernels, Prunus armeniaca. Located within the pit of an apricot, you will find a smaller kernel that looks a bit like an almond. To reach it, you would have to break through the hard pit, which makes you wonder why anyone would bother in fact. But people have bothered, and apricot kernels have been used for years in some cultures for cooking. The problem is, in high enough doses, they are poisonous. Due to many anecdotal stories and rumors over the years, there are many folks out there who also believe that small seed of apricot can cure cancer. Amygdalin, also called lateral, is a substance found in the small apricot kernel. It is converted into cyanide in the body, but that haven't stopped it from being marketed as alternative medicine, in which sometimes it is called vitamin B17. In high enough doses, amygdalin can cause the body to produce enough cyanide to lead to nervousness, insomnia, low blood pressure, and even death. The sale of lateral is now illegal in many countries and warns of danger, particularly in Turkey, where apricot seeds are commonly eaten. And frequently it has resulted in cyanide poisoning, especially in the children. Manchineel, Hippomene manzanilla. The manchineel is round fruit about the size of a tangerine and is native of Mexico and the Caribbean. It is also known as the beach apple and can be quite tasty, but both The fruit and the tree are extremely dangerous even they make simple contact with. Ingestion of the fruit can almost immediately bring about esophageal and oral ulceration as well as severe edema. Furthermore, cervical pain can result when the toxin contained within the manganiel is drained into the regional lymph nodes. The milky sap from the manganiel tree touches the skin. It can cause burns, blistering, and even inflammation. The species of the tree also produces contact dermatitis. Even the simple burning of the manchineel tree can cause extreme eye irritation. Caribbean aboriginals even used to dip their arrows in the sap of the manchineel tree to create a vicious poison. Pangium fruit, Pangium edule. Native to the South Asia, the Pangium edule plant is a tree that develops a large brown fruit that is often called a football fruit. Used in many Indonesian dishes, football fruit is another example of a fruit that you really hope the chef knows what they are doing with, because the large seeds as well as the leaves of the tree are extremely poisonous. Filled with hydrocyanic acid, the toxic plant and the seeds can cause sleepiness, delirium, and death. Of course, that hasn't stopped people from finding uses for these poisonous plants. When the seeds aren't being used for rat poison, they are boiled down or fermented until the poison is removed and made into cooking oil. In Filipino alternative medicine, it has been used to kill parasites, treat boils, and preserve fish. European spindle tree, Euonymus europaeus. The European spindle tree is a little known plant that provides lots of food for birds and insects. Some of its other uses include the creation of high quality charcoal colors for artists. The tree can be found throughout woodland areas and is quite beautiful. However, you should never take a bite of a spindle tree's fruits, no matter how tempting it is. Both the tree and its fruit have panchative capabilities that are used to combat extreme indigestion. A few drops of spindle tree and everything in your stomach has to go. Large doses can result in extreme and excessive stomach pain. Jatropha fruit, Jatropha curcas. Due to the hardy nature of the tree-like shrub, you can find Jatropha trees in all corners of the world with tropical or subtropical climates. The Indian variety of the plant has proven to be particularly problematic with high incidences of poisoning in children who are drawn to the sweet yellow berries with their poisonous nature. They are poisonous black seeds that are filled with the toxin ricin. When ingested, Jatropha seeds can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and even kidney damage. Used for years as a medicine for colic, cramps, and constipation in rural villages, Jatropha enjoyed a small fame when it was forecasted to be the next big thing in biofuel. Sadly for Jatropha and many farmers who invested in planting it, Jatropha as a biofuel was a bust, leaving the world with that many more poisonous plants to contend with. Yew berry tree, Taxus baccata. This tree has gorgeous blood red berries and can be found throughout North America, Europe, and parts of Middle East. The yew tree looks innocent. It is just a typical shrub with green leaves. But while the bright red berries themselves aren't poisonous, the bark, seeds, leaves, etc. are known for disseminating livestock and can also be deadly to humans. Less severe symptoms of yew berry poisoning include diarrhea, headache, dizziness, muscle weakness, stomach pain, vomiting, trembling, and dilated pupils, while the scariest symptoms include extreme difficulty in breathing, can result in coma and convulsions, irregular heartbeat, and of course, death. Strychnine fruit plant, Strychnos non-vomica. The strychnine tree may be a native to Australia and Southeast Asia, but it was in Europe where it really saved the day, as the toxic plant was the chief ingredient in the rat poison used to curb the scourge of the bubonic plague. Other common names of the strychnine tree are snakewood and poison nut, referring to no doubt to the toxic berries the plant produces. It has been used for centuries for medical uses, but is perhaps most well known for being the murder weapon of choice for villains in works of fiction as well as in the real life over the course of history. Ingestion of strychnine leads to mania convulsions of the body that can be severe, that muscles tears away from the bone. Victims are said to have achieved bodily positions that would not be possible otherwise, with death following from exhaustion or cardiac arrest. Hope this session provided you with an outline of the intended topic and was entertaining. With your wholehearted support, we at Krish Sanjeevani is set to provide you with interesting features and updates. If you have any queries or require any clarification, please post them in the comment section after this video. We shall put all our efforts to address it. And please do not forget to subscribe and promote our channel. Thank you.